Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got a PR package that I am going to show you. Now, I have already opened it up so that I could see where it was from, but this comes to me from One Day Saving, and they were generous enough to send me a couple items to unbag and review on my channel and show everybody. Now, I am going to say that right now they are doing a Hello 2025 campaign, I guess you could say, to where if you buy 4, you get 1 free. If you buy 8, you get 2 free. And if you buy 12, you get 3 free. So they've got some specials and stuff going on right now. They have also got, which I did not know this until I seen this, but they have got a little section of clearance. And it's like 50% off. But there are some limitations to it. But they've got some really, really, really nice items in their little clearance section. So, all right. I am going to go ahead and pull out. I just have a couple items to share. So, we're just going to do this one real quick. Now, this is just a little knife. They do come in several different colors. I think there's like silver, red, purple, blue, and this one is the gold. And it's just a little craft knife. And I use mine with my miniatures mostly, but you can also use them to like cut your plastic on your canvas, you know, if you do sections. But this was $2.13. And like I said, they come in different colors. So there's that. Now, I got 1 canvas, but it is a large canvas. It is a 40 by 50. This is poured glue. There's a drill. Just a little loose drill. So anyway, this is a 40 by 50. And let me just try to get it flattened out a little bit. Now, this is a round, and it is $12.42 on the website of One Day Savings. And let's see, she has got 22 colors. As you can see, it does have the DMC numbers listed on the schematic, which they have the schematic in the top left and one on the bottom right. And as you can see up here, there is the canvas number in case you are wanting to look for this canvas. And then there is the size. But I will leave a link to this canvas and to the knife in my description box, along with their website and my discount code. And if you would like to save 10% on your next purchase, you can just put my code in. Now, I don't make any commission. I don't make anything at all on you using my code. It just lets them know that you watched my video pretty much. And that, you know, I've reached somebody. But I really like this image. It's different. I really don't have a whole lot of cityscapes or anything in my collection. But isn't it cute? And let's see. It's really sticky. So even though there is a lot of confetti in some of the areas, There's also quite a bit of color blocking and line blocking. But I really like it. And for it to be, you know, a 40 by 50, you can still make out the detail. I mean, you can see the windows and the doors, the little flower boxes. So I think it's pretty nice. Comes with your standard toolkit, which is a single placer pen, a green boat, 2 squares of wax there. And all of your colors are bagged up. Very nice. Oh, I might have some loose ones in there. But that's not bad. I think what it is this bag right here, I think it's just not shut all the way. Which I will deal with that when I open this up and do it. So yeah. These look really nice. I'm not seeing any pits or anything. So it looks pretty nice. They look pretty nice. Love all the colors. So yeah, y'all go check out One Day Savings. Like I said, I'll leave a link to the canvas and to the craft knife in my description box, along with the company and my discount code, which is Scarlet10 off, and that gets you 10% off your purchase. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to say thank you to One Day Savings for sending this to me in order to show to everyone. I really do appreciate it. And please make sure you hit that thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And until my next video, y'all, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.